Bonjour et bienvenue. Welcome, dear children. So, this is day 5 of our French class. I hope you all are making your notes daily and revising them also. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre les couleurs. Today, we are going to learn about colors. This topic we have already done in class 6, but we are going to revise it again. And I hope you remember all the colors in French. So let's get started. So children, as you can see here, a list of colors given, both in masculine and feminine form. And do you remember the rule that all the nouns which are having E in the end, they are feminine? Or how do we make something into feminine? We add E to the masculine form and we make it feminine. So here also the same thing has been done. In the masculine form, E has been added to make that color in feminine form. And you can also notice a white cloud given here on the right side, and it is saying that E at the end is always silent, so it does not have any sound. So now let's read the colors in French, and you can also repeat after me for the pronunciation. So listen to the pronunciation very carefully. Jaune, jaune, which means yellow. Rouge, rouge, which means red. Rose, rose in the feminine also, and it means pink. So the first three colors are same in both masculine and feminine form. Now the next set of colors, we have added E to make them feminine. Let's read them. Bleu is bleu, no change in the pronunciation. Vert becomes vert, which is green color. Noir, noir, color black. Then gris, gris, that is grey color. Now next two, they are kind of exceptions. Here in first one, blanc, H and E is added to make that feminine, and it is pronounced as blanche is in feminine, which is white color. Then violet becomes violette. Here the last consonant has been doubled and then E is added. Violet color. Then last two are also same in masculine and feminine. Marron and marron same. Last one is orange, which means orange, and it is also same in masculine and feminine. Now let's see some other colors. Here you can see a silver coin. Color silver is called as argent in French. Now France is written in golden color, so color golden is called as or in French. Turquoise color is called as turquoise in French. Alright, so these are some rare colors which are not in the common list. Now let's do some exercises related to the adjectives. So here first question is asking us to tick the correct option, choose the correct option. So you have to choose the correct adjective for the image. Here you can see a boy. Is he looking big or small? Yes, he is a small boy. So he is petit ou grand? Small or big? He is petit. Small. Next picture is of a house. So is this house ancien or nouveau? Ancient or new? Answer is ancien. Next is mince or épais, which means thin or thick. I hope you are learning the adjectives and you also know the meanings. So épais means thick. The book is thick here. This one is, the lion is long or short, long or court. He is long. Okay, so here is another set of question. This question is asking us to write the adjective of colors, which we have just revised. And remember, the adjectives of colors are always put after the noun. So here you can see a picture of a dog, and what color is it? Yes, brown. And what do we call brown in French? Brun or marron. So here we need to write in the correct form, masculine or feminine. So from the noun we can get to know whether is it feminine or masculine. But from noun, if we don't know the gender, so we can always check the articles given in the sentence before the noun. So articles help us to confirm the gender of the noun. So we can decide our answer. So here chien is masculine. If we don't know that chien is masculine, we can see the adjective here. Indefinite article is being written, that is in masculine form. So we are going to write the color in masculine form. So let's see the answer. C'est un chien brun or marron in masculine form. Next image, here you can see a tire, which is in which color? Black. And what do we call black in French? Noir. So the sentence is asking, c'est un pneu dash. So the answer is, c'est un pneu noir. Next image, here you can see a leaf which is green in color. So you need to write the color in feminine form. Why? Because word feuille is ending with E and it is a feminine noun. So our answer will be c'est une feuille verte with E in the end. Now here you can see a picture of a paper. So paper is masculine. So the color will also be in masculine. And which color is it? Is it white? C'est un papier blanc. Alright, not blanche. Now here you can see two tables. And table is feminine. But there are two. So feminine plural. Our color has to be in feminine plural. So the sentence is, ce sont des tables bleues. Here we have added E and S also to make the color in feminine plural form. Now here you can see two skirts, which is pink in color. So ce sont des jupes roses with S in the end. Okay, so here's question number 3, mettez au pluriel. So children, these types of questions are very important and they always come in exams. So you have to be very careful while doing such kinds of questions, and you have to be thorough with the grammar portion, whichever you have covered from class 6. Alright, because all the articles, adjectives will be here and you need to change them accordingly. So let's read the sentences. First sentence is saying, il y a un livre blanc. There is a white book. Next, l'arbre est vert. The tree is green. Next, c'est une leçon intéressante. This is a interesting lesson. Le garçon est beau. The boy is handsome. La femme aime le gâteau. The lady likes or loves the cake. C'est un animal. This is an animal. So we have to change these sentences into plural now. Now I want you to pause the video, write your answers in your notebook, and then check the answers and see whether you have done it right or not. Alright? Okay. Let's check the answers now, and you can check your mistakes on your own. First sentence, il y a des livres blancs. Here, il y a will remain same. There is, that means there is or there are. Alright. So, our indefinite article un has been changed into they. In livre, we have added s, and blanc we have added s again. So, usually we add s in the end of the word to make that plural. So, that's what we have done here. Next is l'arbre est vert. So, here our definite article le will change into les arbres, s in the end. Then we have verb être here, a becomes sont, and then the color will have s in the end in the plural form. Third sentence, c'est une leçon intéressante. Ce sont, so c'est becomes ce sont des leçons intéressantes. D, les garçons sont beaux. Here we have added x because the word beau is ending with eau. Remember the rules? We have to add x to make that plural. The next one is les femmes aiment les gâteaux. Here we are changing the verb in plural form according to les femmes, il or elle in plural. Last one, ce sont des animaux. Again we are adding x because the ending of animal is al. Alright, these are some animals. Okay, next question. Here we have to change these sentences in singular form now. Up till now we were changing the sentences into plural form. Now we have to change the sentences in singular form. Totally opposite. So let's read the sentences. Ce sont des travaux. These are some work. Ils ont des joujoux. They have some jewelry. Les leçons sont difficiles. The lessons are difficult. Vous finissez les gâteaux. You finish the cakes. Les oiseaux chantent. The birds sing. Il y a des souris dans les chambres. There are some mouse in the room. Now again, pause the video and check the answers later on. Okay, here are the answers. C'est un travail. This is a work. Il a un joujou. He has a jewelry. La leçon est difficile. The lesson is difficult. Tu finis le gâteau. You finish the cake. L'oiseau chante. The bird sing. Il y a un souris dans la chambre. There is a mouse in the room. Okay children, so that's it for today. Au revoir, à bientôt. Have a good day.